Hello. In this video, I'm going to explain you about 5 important points about COVID-19. 5 important points. Let me start with symptoms: mild fever, cold, cough, then high fever, then breathing problem. These are the symptoms. In some cases, the person infected will not have any symptom. This is called asymptomatic. What is called? It is called asymptomatic. Asymptomatic is very dangerous condition. Why? Because the person infected, he has got virus, he doesn't have any symptoms, and he is moving freely, he is infecting others. And others also accepting him freely because he doesn't have any symptoms. It's a very dangerous condition now. This is number one condition of COVID-19 the world is facing. Recently, 500 persons tested in Delhi. Out of 500, 140 are asymptomatic. Means the 140 before testing, before knowing they are positive, they don't have any symptoms. So we can imagine how these people are, asymptomatic people are going to infect the world. So the point number 1 is to get tested. Everyone should get tested whether they have symptoms, don't have symptoms. Then only they come to know they are positive or not. Otherwise, these people, asymptomatic people, will move freely in the society and infect the society. Okay, now the issue is why some are asymptomatic, means don't have symptoms. The main point is some people have good immunity. So these good immunity people infected, as soon as the virus enters the body, the antibodies start fighting with the virus. The antibodies will not allow virus to grow faster. So they will be fighting inside the body. Virus cannot go as much as large to bring out the symptoms. Okay? My point is, get tested all. Don't hesitate. Don't avoid. Please go for testing. So now point number 2. What is point number 2? Point number 2 is negative to positive. There are people who treated and then tested negative, released from the hospitals. But after some time, they become again positive. Out of around 900 people treated and released from the hospital in South Korea, 191 came back again with symptoms with positive result. So now here very important point for point number 2 is even after treating, even after the results of negative, it is better to maintain the personal protection things like mask, cleaning hands, social distancing for some time. Otherwise, the treated negative people can become positive again and they will infect others. Point number 3. Point number 3 is hydroxychloroquine, azithromycin. As soon as American President Trump announced these two medicines, the demand for worldwide increased. everywhere stock out. All the countries start importing. But there is no proven evidence that this is the exact medicine for COVID-19. Don't forget, there's nowhere in the world, no hospital, no scientist, no doctor proved this is the medicine for COVID-19. So, please don't use these two medicines without consulting a doctor, because these medicines have lot of side effects and you may suffer. Don't forget this very important point. Don't unnecessarily eat these medicines. So now point number 4. Point number 4 is there are many news in social media and YouTube, everywhere, Facebook. Virus will die in summer. Virus will die in summer. I read somewhere all the villagers in a village coming out of their homes and standing in the sun for 3-4 hours thinking that virus will die, which is not true. Moreover, coming out in a gathering, standing one place is very dangerous. There are chances of infecting people. Other thing is, when you stand in the sun for 3-4 hours, your body get dehydration. When you get dehydration, your body's immunity will come down. When immunity is come down and low, it is very easy for the virus to attack you. So, virus will die in sun is not true. Please don't believe. Point number 5. Eating garlic, eating ginger, eating cumin, etc. Many news on social media. I recently read someone is hospitalized for eating half kilo garlic. Can you imagine? Half kilo garlic. These are not social media reports are not correct. There is no proven result that these things will work out and will kill virus or will not allow to virus to infect, which is not true. So the only way to avoid infections and virus is social distancing, respect the lockdown time, stay in the house and stay safe. Thank you very much.